Today I'm going to show you how to add any pattern to a t-shirt, shirt, or any kind of clothes in Adobe Photoshop. First, open your Quick Selection tool from the toolbar. Then click and drag over the shirt to select it. Select the Subtract from selection at the top. Click and drag over the hand to remove the excess selections. Select Add to Selection. Then add a selection to the shirt which are covering by the hand. With the selection active, press Ctrl J to cut the long sleeve of the model. Let's name it Dress Shirt. Right-click on it and convert it to Smart Object. Go to Image, Adjustments, and open your Levels window. Now drag the top left slider to the right, and you can also drag the right slider to the left to add contrast. Go to Filter, Blur, and Gaussian Blur. I'll make the radius 4 pixels. Then press OK. To save it to your folder, just go to File, and choose Save As. I'm going to name this Displacement. And from this drop-down menu, choose PSD file format. Then press Save. Now let's delete this Smart Filters. Go to File, Place Embedded, and place your second image. Drag the opacity slider all the way to 50%. Adjust the size, angle, and position. Hit Enter once you're satisfied. Set the opacity back to 100%. Go to Layer, and create Clipping Mask. Now go to Filter, Distort, and Displace. I'll make the horizontal and vertical scale 10. The displacement map, Stretch to Fit. And select Wrap Around, Undefined Areas. Then press OK. Open your displacement PSD file that you saved earlier. And change the blending mode of this layer from normal to multiply. Click the FX icon and choose the blending options. Hold the Alt key to split the white slider and drag it to the left. Then press OK. Let's zoom the image. Now you can see here that there are extra patterns on the buttons of this long sleeve shirt. So all we have to do to remove it, let's add a mask by clicking on the mask icon. Then from the toolbar, select the brush tool. Make sure foreground color is black. And just paint these buttons to remove the excess pattern. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.